Hey guys, welcome back to our channel GetPlacedSoon. In this video, let's see how to reverse an array. We have a given array 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's reverse this and it should become 8, 7, 6, 5. Now let's see how to do this. The idea is to use two pointers, one at the starting of the array and the other being end of the array. The starting of the array being the first element and end of the array being array of length minus 1, which is last element. Now our job is to swap starting and ending. Right. So we save the starting value in a temporary variable and then we swap it with end. After that, we swap end with temporary variable. Now the start and end values are swapped successfully. After swapping the start and end variable, we'll make sure that we move the both pointers towards the center until they meet. So we are incrementing the start and decrementing the end. So the pointers moved. After moving them, again do the swap process. Now you can see the array is totally reversed. You can also see that we have 4 elements in the array and within just 2 steps, 2 iterations, we have reversed the array. So it is taking n by 2. So let's see the code. Here you can see that the given array is mentioned. After that, we are declaring two pointers, start that is 0, the first element, and end array dot length minus 1 being the last element. We are declaring a while loop and we are storing the temporary variable, storing the start value in the temporary variable and swapping the start value with end value and end value with temporary value. After swapping, we are moving the pointers. We are incrementing the start and decrementing the end. And the while loop runs until start is less than end. As discussed earlier, the 4 element array got reversed in just 2 iterations. So let's check the time complexity. The loop runs n by 2 times, n by 2. As discussed earlier in our previous videos, that we will not consider the constants. So we just ignore the constants. So the time complexity of this program is O of n. So the loop will iterate through half of the array, which is n by 2. This is because each iteration swaps two elements, one at the beginning and one at the end. Therefore, the time complexity of the algorithm is O of n by 2, which is equivalent to O of n in the worst case scenario. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.